present your questions.
Hi.
Hey, Nikki.
Hi, Julie. Yes, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Sandali
Thank
lang.
you. Saglit lang
Saglit
daw.
um, when you started singing earlier kanina, and we heard how you sang, parang my first impression was, it's like Julianne was telling us that she has nothing left to prove. Kasi, based sa previous songs mo, previous material na nilabas mo, talagang parang may gigil eh.
Laban na laban.
Laban na laban. But this time, very, very relaxed. Parang you're just saying na you're just expressing yourself. And you've mentioned it's all about creative freedom. Now, I just wanted to ask, is that really the case right now in terms of your musicality and your creativity as an artist?
Oo, parang nandun na ngayon ako sa era ngayon eh. Kasi, well, given the situation that we are in right now, like, of course, sa mga personal lives natin, sa bansa natin, di ba? And then, like, things in general, parang ang hirap na rin kasi na, alam mo yun, parang lagi kang may hinahabol, may kailangan ka laging may pinapatunayan, kailangan patunayan sa sarili mo palagi, or basta may kailangan kong gawin. Parang we're so focused on that we forget ourselves. So parang through my music now, parang gusto ko lang din na alam mo yun, like, enjoy ang life, na ito yung mga songs na papakinggan nila pagka nakakaramdam sila ng ganito. Parang gusto ko na marinig ng mga tao yung mga kanta ko na alam mo yun, like, hindi nila kailangan mahirapan pag pinapakinggan nila yung songs. And also, parang may certain, alam mo yun, like calmness and gentleness ba sa music pagka pinakinggan mo. Kasi feeling ko parang yun yung kailangan natin ngayon.
Pero saan nanggagaling?
Mga bagay-bagay.
Saan nanggagaling yung calmness, yung gentleness na ina-express mo through your music right now?
Siguro ano din, a personal contentment lang din talaga siguro. Kasi parang I also feel like I owe it to myself. Then na parang with so much pressure na nangyayari sa paligid natin, mainly even before then, alam mo yun, this and that, kailangan ko gawin this and that, kailangan ko, alam mo yun, put myself forward all the time. So parang ito, medyo take a step back, hinga lang muna, kalmahan lang natin, di ba? And then let's just let things be. Parang, ano tayo, umaagos na tayo, parang water. Gano'n.
And I think a lot of people, especially your fans, would appreciate it. Now, since naglabas ka ng single right now, is it safe to say that we're going to expect concerts or album in the next couple of months?
Ako kasi ngayon, like right now, may pinag-uusapan po kami nga concert. Yes. I think I've already like said this sa nag-reply na ako sa isang tao sa Twitter or like sa TikTok. Hopefully, next year, sana, basta hindi pa po namin ina-expect, para hindi pa po namin specifically tina-target yung particular date, pero inaayos na po namin. Basta ang masasabi ko lang, it's gonna be worth the wait kasi paghahandaan ko to because it's my 20th year. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
Since you've mentioned your 20th year, siguro one last question from myself. Sa lahat ng na-achieve mo in your career, either sa television or in your music or your other endeavors in showbiz, what do you think yung pinaka-highlight ng career mo in the past 2 decades?
Siguro yung pinaka-highlight ng career, maraming mga highlights kasi. Of course, one would be having my own album, having my own songs.
Diamond record.
Thank you, Lord. And then also being nominated and awarded mga ibang mga categories, ganyan, like when it comes to like music. So much honor ang naidulot sa akin noon. Grabe, parang alam mo yun, hindi ko din talaga in-expect na mabibigyan ng recognition. And then when I did Limitless trilogy, parang it changed my perspective in life. Sobrang, I fell in love with that project. Also Maria Clara as well. It's one of the, oh my God, like most memorable talagang like parang nagkaroon ng impact sa akin as an artist. And then, like yung kung ano yung meron ako ngayon. Just having my own process and approach pagdating sa aking music.
With that, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nikiba. Up next, we have MJ that I have to ask a later question.
AMG.
Hi, Julie. Long time no see. So they asked already, yung path for your career. You're about to celebrate 20 years. And then sinabi mo din naman kanina na habang sinulat mo yung saglit lang, of course, si River yung nasa isip mo. Pero yung kasi na line doon is yung first line sa chorus, di ba? So in anything, in life, in general, in different aspects, ano pa sa life yung sinasabihan mo ngayon ng halika rito?
Halika rito, ano ba? Siguro more peace of mind, more wisdom. Ayun, para syempre mas maging inspired ka lalo sa buhay, at saka sa mga decision making, di ba? Napaka-importanteng bagay yun. Kasi pagka at peace ka, parang everything else just follows eh. Parang doon na pumapasok yung security, yung contentment mo in life. Wala ka ng insecurities kasi parang, wala eh, tanggap mo na yung kung ano ka eh, as a person eh, di ba? So, yun. More peace, and of course, yun, more wisdom. Yeah.
Ayun. Okay. Balikan lang namin yung parang isang event. Kasi ngayon na rin nakita ulit sa Marriott, sa isasabihin ko na yung brand, yung performance mo sa Bingo Plus event.
Oh, yes.
Di ba?
Every time po na pupunta ako na Mar, yung po lang nalala ko.
Pero di ba,
Oh my gosh.
it was more of a positive feedback actually for you na tinapos mo yung performance no matter what. So, yeah.
I really tried. I really tried my best. Kaso minsan po talaga, parang, alam mo yun, hindi umaayos sa atin ng mga bagay-bagay. At that time, sobrang, I was super sick. Alam mo po ng mga tao yan na talagang sakitin po talaga ako. Tsaka like that time, sobrang sakto din po talaga na yung sobrang grabe yung ubo ko, yung sipon ko, ang kate-kate na nalumunan ko. And then like, and yet I was there, sabi ko, shucks, my God. Paano ko, gusto ko na lang siyang maitawid. Kasi of course, as a commitment, and na po talagang wala kailangan ko sumanang, kailangan ko siyang gawin. And talaga pong sabi ko, sige, tutuloy ko pa rin. Tutuloy ko pa rin to. Kahit anong mangyari, tutuloy ko pa rin to. So yun, we all have bad days. Kasi hindi naman kami perfecto, hindi naman din parang as a singer, parang hindi may mga times na hindi okay yung boses, minsan may sakit, ganyan. Hindi naman talaga maiwasan yan. Pero syempre, it's really a matter of commitment po talaga. And syempre, nandun na ako, ayoko din mapahiya dun sa mga tao na nag-expected po sa akin. So it's really important to show up.
So in the middle of the performance, di talaga pumasok sa isip mo, mag-SOS ako sa chorus part.
Actually, nakakaano ko din kasi si Yang was up next eh. Naka-standby na siya sa likod kasi siya po yung susunod na magpo-perform after me eh. Tapos, narinig ko siya sabi, bigyan ng tubig si Julie! As in, parang konti na lang papasok na po siya para, alam mo yun, like sabayan ako or something. Pero, grabe po talaga yun. Like, was one of the experiences na hindi ko po talaga makakalimutan. Kasi yung first song ko, medyo okay pa. Yung first half ng second song ko, medyo meron pa akong boses. Doon sa second half ko, hanggang sa last song ko, wala na talaga at all. As in parang, shucks, like, hindi ko alam kung saan napunta yung boses ko. Pero, yeah, it happens. Pero okay lang din naman. Lesson learned din naman talaga to, talagang magpahinga, tsaka importante din na hindi mag-overwork. Yun.
Yeah, for all it's worth, it solicited more positive feedback than, the negative. I think more positive feedback. So last question for me, yung sasaglit lang. Actually, partly sinagot mo na siya kanina. Kasi yung mga divas natin, like sila Regine, sila Lani Misalucha, meron talaga silang era in their careers na naglo-low-key. Di ba? Regine Velasquez nag-release ng low-key album.
Yes,
Si Lani biglang nag-scale back then. Naging radio-friendly yung
Yes.
sound niya. And then, kung papansinin mo, that era in their lives, they already reached a certain, yun nga, sanabi, wala na akong ipoprove. Nandyan na ako sa OPM. Okay na talaga ako. Would you say it's the same for you?
Parang I think halos lahat ng singers dumadaan sa ganyang era eh. Kasi, parang ko sabihin to, parang given kung ano yung mga genres na kayang i-perform natin ng mga Pilipino, or like, for example, yung mga singers, di ba? Lagi kami bibigyan ng mga ballad songs, mga birit, ganyan, or parang, ano mo yun, like, so much things happening. Parang gusto natin minsan na, alam mo yun, kalmado naman. Kasi, alam mo yun eh, mababalanse mo yun eh. So, parang nandun ako ngayon. Nandun ako ngayon.
Congratulations, Rudy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, MJ, and thank you so much to all of our dearest friends from the press for asking away your thoughtful questions.